But you can see that has clearly broken. Not a bear flag here on the weekly as well. And you're still pointing down on the weekly chart. So I think we got more pain below. We break 1100. I'm looking at 1060 on the SPX as a possible near-term target, right around here. 1060, say 1060, 1058, 1060, right here, right about here. So I'll draw a line there. Okay, so that would be around, I'm sorry, 1040, excuse me, 1040. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for right now. Now let's remove all these and take a look. And yes, I am still bearish. Any pop that we get this week, which I do think we will, being that we're a bit oversold on many of the indices, it's just a good excuse to grab some shorts, in my opinion. Okay, let's take a look. What was I going to look at? Oh, I was going to do this Fibonacci retracements. Let me try doing this. Delete that. Let's go back to the weekly, and let's go back from the low of 666.79. Let's do the fans just as for the hell of it. So 666.79, 666.79 there, and then you go to this 1370.58. That's pretty close. Oh, I have to fix that. So 1370.58. This doesn't want to work for me. Okay, so that's not right. 1370.58. Okay, and here we go. So as of right now, we've only retraced about 38.2% of this move up. And I don't think that's going to last. You can actually also see a bit of a head and shoulders that could be forming here. So we could, come up a little bit or just break down here and go down to the 50%, which would be around 1091 or so, 1087 on the SPX. Okay. I mean, after you keep banging this area, and this is, the level it's been sort of stuck at here, you're finally going to give it up, and it's going to break down. And now the NASDAQ is fared much better in terms of holding up, but I believe that's only a matter of time again before it caves too. So 1017, okay, 1017 to 2435. Okay, so you can see that it hasn't even retraced down to this 38.2% yet. Okay, and I definitely think it's probably going to go there. That would put us at about 2015 or so. No, a little bit lower. It looks more like, I think we're going down to 2015, and possibly down to, if it would be around 19, I'm just making, 2015. Let's just go with that first. And you can see this is just starting to turn over here. Okay, just starting. So I think the NASDAQ is probably going to catch up with the others. And there's you got the Russell, which has actually done the worst. It is the worst performer. 34.26. I'm going to have to 86.81. I'm just going to eyeball it. So I'm looking for around, okay, you can see we've come down 50% here on the Russell, okay, the small caps, small and mid caps, and it's looking pretty ugly for it. I've got a target on IWM of around 60, which I've mentioned to my readers of the blog. You can see this bear flag also, and there's a giant topping tail. So I'm looking for around 59.60 before any significant bounce that we may see. And then we may come up and, bounce around the rest of the year and maybe right up here. I'm just speculating a little bit. Or it could get real ugly and just keep on, have these lower highs continue and end up, really, really far down. So I hope everybody has a really good trading week. If you're interested in joining the blog, I'm offering a special until October 15th, $47 the first month. It's about, $10 a week? Yeah, about $11 a week. I mean, you spend that on a couple Happy Meals. So if you're interested in live trading all day and technical analysis, options trading, I trade anything. I could do technical analysis on anything. So anything you're interested in, whether it's futures, options, or Forex, I have knowledge in all of them. So if you want to give us a try, just email me, info@hotoptionbank.com. I hope everybody has this really, really good week, and I look forward to seeing you. And if you don't want to join the lounge, just come on the blog and say hello, and you can ask any questions you want. I'm happy to see you there too. Thanks a lot. Good day.